Recording audio has always been a headache since the time I've started YouTube. But today we'll cover how we can record the best quality audio in our videos without using a mic. So stay tuned, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and do like the content if it was helpful to you. So recording audio, first of all, the best way would be to leverage a mic and record your YouTube audio. But if you do not have a mic, you can use this app that I have been using to record all my YouTube videos, and that is Dolby On. So the Dolby On app, it comes from the legendary Dolby. They are the masters in sound. You must have heard of them. Now this is a simple sound recorder and a video editor and recorder, but I basically use it to record my audios for all my YouTube. So it, at the first screen itself, it shows you a recording screen. You can see the visuals coming up and down as I speak, as the app is able to hear my voice. And you have pretty cool features here. So there are some examples. These are my audios which I have previously recorded. There are certain settings. This is the only recorder on iOS or anywhere I found which helped in recording lossless audio. Now lossless audio will create WAV files, WAV files with uncompressed lossless audio, which is very good and can be edited very well. Now, as I told, this is an audio recorder which has all the features of audio editing as well. Let me just record a test audio file. Hello, this is YouTube. As soon as you record your file, you can see track 8. This is the name of the file that I've just recorded. If I click on it, you will be brought to the preview screen. If I play this, hello, this is YouTube, you'll be able to hear what I just recorded. Hello, this is YouTube. Okay, and there are certain tools also available here. You can put in any style that you want, like standard, natural, thump, off, or amped, lyric, deep, anything that you like. And also there's a built-in feature for noise reduction, so you do not need to have any sort of editing on Audacity app that most of the YouTubers suggest. You can just increase these levels according to your requirement and then share the video or audio whenever you want to do. You also can tweak the tone of the audio as well, from treble, mids and bass. So if you want your sound to be audible a little more tinny or something like that, you can increase the treble. And yeah, if we have boost, this will just kind of increase the volume of what you have recorded. And then there is trim. This can be used to, like, this is just a sort of an audio cutter. You can trim your audio files just using this trimmer. And in the end, if I press on done, you have a way of sharing all these files through ample of ways. I mostly use email to share my audio files. You can also add visuals, like to any of your tracks. So sorry, if I click on this, press select, now you can see whenever I am speaking, the visuals show that the sound waves that were recorded. And yeah, you can also rename the file, which is pretty basic. What was the difference between when the Dolby is off and on? You can check that as well just by clicking on this top button on the right hand side. But this is like the best audio recording app that I found to record my audio, and I just wanted to share it with you all people. So yeah, this was it. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and help us grow. Thank you. Bye bye.